Maggot farming, also known as maggot production or black soldier fly (BSF) larvae farming, is the process of rearing maggots to utilize them as a sustainable source of high-protein feed for animals, particularly poultry, fish, and livestock. It is an eco-friendly way to manage organic waste while producing a valuable resource. Below are the details about maggot farming. 1. Benefits of maggot farming. High-protein feed. Maggots contain 40 to 60% protein, essential for animal growth. Waste management. Converts organic waste into a valuable product. Cost-effective. Reduces feed costs by supplementing or replacing conventional feed sources like fish meal. Environmental sustainability. Minimizes the environmental footprint of waste disposal and feed production. 2. Common species used. Black soldier fly, Hermetia illucens, preferred for its rapid growth, high protein content, and ability to process large quantities of waste. Housefly, Musca domestica, used in some systems but less efficient compared to BSF. 3. Materials needed. Organic waste, kitchen waste, agricultural byproducts, animal manure, brewery waste, etc. Containers, trays, buckets, or specialized bioreactors for rearing. Fly breeding cage, for controlled breeding of adult flies. Shade and covering, to protect the setup from extreme weather and predators. 4. Rearing process. Breeding flies. Adult black soldier flies are kept in breeding cages with access to light and a moist substrate for egg laying. Eggs are collected and transferred to a separate container for hatching. B. Larvae production. Eggs hatch into larvae within 3 to 5 days. Provide organic waste as feed for the larvae. Ensure a moist but not waterlogged environment. Maintain optimal conditions. Temperature, 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Humidity, 60 to 70%. pH, neutral to slightly acidic, 6.5-7. C. Harvesting larvae. Larvae are ready for harvest in 10 to 14 days, depending on species and conditions. Harvest by sieving or using ramps in the container to allow self-harvesting. 5. Feeding maggots to animals. Wash harvested maggots to remove any residual waste. Fresh use. Feed directly to poultry or fish. Preserved. Dry or process into meal for long-term storage. 6. Waste management. The leftover material after larvae processing is called frass and can be used as an organic fertilizer for crops. Proper disposal and management of unused waste are essential to prevent odors and pests. 7. Challenges and solutions. Odor management. Use a balanced feed mix to reduce unpleasant smells. Predators. Protect the setup from rodents and birds. Temperature sensitivity. Use shade or insulation to maintain optimal rearing conditions. Regulations. Ensure compliance with local laws regarding waste processing and animal feed production. 8. Economic and environmental impact. Reduces reliance on expensive feed ingredients like fish meal and soy. Provides an alternative protein source for farmers in resource-limited areas. Supports circular agriculture by recycling organic waste. 9. Key considerations for scaling. Automate processes like egg collection, feeding, and harvesting for large-scale production. Focus on local demand for maggot-based feed. Collaborate with poultry or aquaculture farmers for regular supply agreements. Would you like information on setting up a small-scale maggot farm or advice on scaling up production? Compared by JUSTMAN Agric Ventures, McCurdy.